Hello sir, my name is Tarni. My metric number is 269722. This is a sequence diagram for search a job. This sequence diagram have an actor, that is job seeker. This sequence diagram also has three objects, that is search panel, search manager and search info. Job seeker will send message to search panel for search for job. Then search panel will send message to search manager to check available job. Then search manager will send message to search info to provide recommendation of job based on job seeker qualification. Search manager will send message to itself to check the qualification. If the qualification of job seeker is approved, then it will display these are the jobs available for you. If the qualification of the job seeker is not approved, then it will display job not available for you. Job seeker will send message to search panel to choose a job from the list and choose type of job, range of salary, area want to work and can apply another application. The search panel will send message to itself to save the updates and allow job seeker to apply another application. Then job seeker will send message to search panel to cancel job that he had applied. Search panel will inform search manager and the search manager will approve the cancellation and will send that message to search panel. So the search panel will send message to the job seeker that telling that job apply is cancelled. This is a sequence diagram for apply for a position. There is an actor, that is job seeker. There are three objects, that is position panel, position manager and position info. First, the job seeker will send message to position panel for apply for a position. So the position panel will send message to the position manager to check available position. Position manager will send message to position info to get position details. Then position info will send message to position manager to get the qualification. Position manager will send message to position panel to display the qualification. Position panel will send message to the job seeker and will ask them to list out their qualification. And the job seeker will list out his qualification by sending message to position panel. Position manager will send message to itself to check the qualification. If the qualification is approved, then it will display position apply is approved for you. If the qualification is not approved, it will display position is not available for you. Then the job seeker will send message to position panel to cancel position at applied. Then the position manager will send message to position manager to inform position manager. Then the position manager will send message to position panel telling that it approved the cancellation. Then the position panel will send message to job seeker and will display that position applies is cancelled. This is a communication diagram for search a job. Job seeker is actor, search panel, search manager and search info are the objects. Job seeker will send message to search panel that are search for a job, choose a job from the list and choose type of job, range of salary, area want to work and can apply another application, cancel job that he had applied. Then search panel will send message to search manager to check available job, inform search manager. Search manager will send message to search info that provide recommendation of job based on job seeker qualification. Then search manager will send message to itself, that is check the qualification. And search manager will send message to search panel, that is display these are the jobs available for you. Then it will also display that job not available for you and it will also approve the cancellation. Then search panel will send message to itself that save the updates and allow job seeker to apply another application. Then search panel also send message to job seeker to inform that job apply is cancelled. And this is a communication diagram for apply for a position. Job seeker is an actor and position panel, position manager and position info is the objects. The job seeker will send message to position panel that apply for position, list of qualification, cancel position apply. Then position panel will send message to position manager to check available position and will inform position manager. Then position manager will send message to position info that get position details. And the position info will send message to position manager to get the qualification. The position manager will send message to itself to check the qualification. Position manager will send message to position panel that is display the qualification, and it also will display position apply not is approved for you, and it also will display that position is not available for you and approve the cancellation. And the position panel will send message to job seekers, ask them to list out their qualification, and it will display position apply is cancelled. Thank you.